Woods at Monroe, rare St. Andrews model with all the upgrades and square footage you can imagine. From the custom entry courtyard with paver walkway, pillars with lighting, you will know you are home. Meticulously maintained property, gorgeous entry foyer with crown molding hardwood floors, upgraded bannister iron spindles, beautiful conservatory. Formal living room and dining room, gourmet kitchen with granite, pantry, custom cabinets with finished end pieces to match, pull-out shelving, recessed lights, 18-inch tiles, sliders to expand a deck, sunroom for relaxing, fireplace, ceiling fan, large first-floor bedroom with ensuite bath, upstairs is Jack and Jill bath, princess suite, master with fireplace, sitting room and luxurious bath, huge walk-in closet, extra aupair or family suite over the garage with living room, bedroom and full bath with marble shower, current fourth bedroom being used for walk-in closet, access from suite, easily converted back, Anderson windows, central vacuum, 3-car garage, 5-zone heat air conditioning. This home boasts plenty of room to grow into.